Have you ever felt like you're juggling too many interests, jumping from one passion to another, while everyone else seems laser-focused on a single path? Society often labels this as being scattered or unfocused, but what if I told you it's actually a superpower tailor-made for the future? In a world that's rapidly changing, where jobs evolve overnight and adaptability is key, this trait points to what's called the M-shaped future, a landscape where people thrive by building multiple peaks of expertise, like the ups and downs of the letter M, rather than specializing in just one area. If you're someone with a wide range of curiosities, you're not flawed, you're perfectly built for what's coming. Let's explore why, with some insights from psychology that might just reframe how you see yourself. First, psychology shows that people with diverse interests often have higher levels of creativity, as supported by research from the American Psychological Association on divergent thinking. Instead of seeing your varied hobbies as distractions, think of them as fuel for innovation. For example, imagine a graphic designer who also loves coding and photography. They might create groundbreaking apps that blend visuals and tech in ways a specialist couldn't. This reframes your too many interests as a creative edge, positioning you to solve complex problems in an M-shaped world where ideas from different fields collide. Second, research indicates that curiosity-driven individuals, like those with broad interests, build stronger resilience against burnout. Studies from the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology highlight how exploring multiple areas prevents emotional exhaustion by keeping life engaging. Picture a teacher who's passionate about history, music, and fitness. When one area feels stagnant, they pivot to another, staying energized. Positively, this means your multifaceted nature isn't overwhelming. It's a built-in buffer, helping you adapt and flourish in a future where career shifts are the norm. Third, according to insights from cognitive psychology, having varied interests enhances your ability to learn quickly. As evidenced by research on transfer learning from the Cognitive Science Society, your brain is wired to connect dots across domains, making you a fast adapter. Take someone interested in cooking, psychology, and business. They could launch a wellness brand that combines recipes with mental health tips. Reframing this, your so-called scattered focus is actually a learning accelerator, equipping you for an M-shaped economy that rewards versatile thinkers over narrow experts. Fourth, positive psychology research, like that from Martin Seligman, suggests that pursuing multiple passions leads to greater overall life satisfaction by fulfilling diverse needs for growth and meaning. Rather than feeling guilty for not committing to one thing, embrace how this variety enriches your experiences. For instance, a writer who dabbles in painting and travel might produce stories infused with vivid, worldly insights that captivate readers. This positive spin. Your abundance of interests isn't a curse. It's a pathway to a fuller, more joyful life in a future that values well-rounded fulfillment. Fifth, studies on personality traits from the Big Five model show that high openness to experience, common in multi-interest people, correlates with better networking and collaboration skills. Research from organizational behavior and human decision processes backs this, noting how open individuals form diverse connections. Envision an entrepreneur with interests in tech, art, and environmental science. They easily team up with experts from each field to innovate sustainable gadgets. Reframing positively, your broad curiosity isn't isolating, it's a magnet for opportunities, priming you for the collaborative demands of an M-shaped future. As you reflect on these insights, remember, having too many interests doesn't mean you're aimless. It means you're versatile, creative, and ready for a world that no longer fits into neat boxes. You're not just surviving the future, you're designed to lead it. If this resonates and you're eager for more ways to understand your unique personality, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's uncover more strengths together. What's one interest you're passionate about right now? Share in the comments below.